I could be a rambler from the 7 dials. I don't pay taxes 'cause I never file. I don't do business that don't make me smile. I love my aeroplane if she got style. I'm a treetop flyer. I'll fly any cargo that you can pay to run. The Bush League pilots, they just can't get the job done. Got to fly down into the canyon, you don't ever see the sun. There's no such thing as an easy run for a treetop fly. I'm flying low, I'm in high demand. Go 15 feet over the Rio Grande. I blow the mesquite right up off of the sand. Seldom seen, especially when I land. I'm a treetop flyer. Born survivor. Asking me where you learned to fly that way. It was over in Vietnam, chasing in VA. The government taught me, and they taught me right. Stay down under the tree line, you might be alright. Treetop flyer. I'm coming home, I'm running low and fast. I promised my woman, this is gonna be my last. Get the ship down, tie her fast. Then some old boy walks up and he says, hey son, wanna make some fast cash? Treetop fly. Well, there's things I am and there's things I'm not. I am a smuggler and I could get shot. I ain't going to die, I ain't going to get caught. See, I'm flying fool in an airplane that's just too hot. I'm a treetop flyer.